Bikaji Foods Q3 FY26 results, profit margins surge amid ethnic snacks or export growth. Bikaji Foods International Limited delivered a resilient performance in Q3 FY26, with revenue growing 10.7% year to 790 crore rupees and volumes up 8.4%. EBITDA surged 77.1% year to 98 crore rupees, expanding margins by 466 basis points to 12.5%, while profit after tax increased 122.3% year to 62 crore rupees, translating to an EPS of 2 rupees and 48 paise. Over the 9-month period, revenue rose 13.3% to 2,273 crore rupees, EBITDA grew 27.1% to 323 crore rupees at a 14.2% margin, and PAT expanded 28.7% to 198 crore rupees. The ethnic snacks segment, which contributes approximately 67% of total revenue, remained the key driver with 13.3% growth in Q3 and 9.6% over 9 months, reflecting strong consumer loyalty and brand strength. Western snacks grew 22.6% year in Q3, and Papad revenues rose 14.6%, highlighting diversified growth across product categories. Packaged sweets, however, saw a seasonal decline of 17.1% due to early Diwali in the current year, though 9-month performance remained positive at 8.1% growth. Retail operations emerged as a major growth engine, with Q3 revenues nearly doubling to 47 crore rupees and 9-month revenues reaching 97 crore rupees, demonstrating high store productivity, expanded reach, and improved consumer engagement. Exports also contributed significantly, increasing 39.1% in Q3 and 58.7% over 9 months, supported by wider international distribution and stronger market penetration. These developments reinforce Bikaji's position as one of India's fastest-growing ethnic snacks companies with a growing global footprint. Deepak Agrawal, Managing Director of Bikaji Foods, stated, "The company delivered a resilient performance during Q3 and 9M FY26, with revenues growing steadily, primarily driven by our strong ethnic snacks portfolio. Demand remained robust across all product categories, underscoring the strength of our brands and their sustained consumer appeal." He added that the company implemented strategic initiatives, including selective price adjustments and focused cost efficiency programs, which helped sustain growth momentum and margin resilience, particularly within core categories. Management also highlighted that the retail business is beginning to contribute meaningfully, with improved store productivity and consumer engagement supporting overall performance. Agrawal emphasized that exports continue to be a key growth driver, with wider distribution and increased penetration in international markets fueling significant revenue gains. He expressed confidence that ongoing innovation, market expansion, and deeper consumer connect will position the company for sustainable, long-term growth. Margin expansion in Q3 was driven by favorable raw material pricing, operational efficiencies, and effective cost control measures. Gross margin stood at 34.7%, while EBITDA and PAT showed substantial year improvement. The company's operational discipline, combined with strategic marketing and innovation initiatives, strengthened brand visibility and market reach, particularly in high-growth ethnic snacks segments. Looking ahead, investors should focus on sustained margin resilience, continued volume growth in core categories, expansion of retail operations, and the scaling of international markets. Bikaji Foods Q3 and 9-month FY26 results, along with management's strategic outlook, highlight the company's strong operational foundation, effective cost management, and commitment to long-term value creation in India's organized snacks market and globally. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.